As a flooring installer here in Raleigh, I've seen more confusion about engineered hardwood flooring than anything else. Today, I'll break down exactly what it is and when it's your smartest choice. Coming up in this video, I'll show you what engineered hardwood really is and how it's made, layer by layer. Then, we'll look at why it performs so well in homes, especially in Raleigh's humid climate. And finally, I'll share where it makes the most sense to install it and a few spots you'll definitely want to avoid. Most homeowners don't realize wood floors are alive. They breathe, expand, and shrink with the seasons. That's why so many floors fail. Engineered hardwood was designed to stop that constant movement. Let me show you how it works and why that design makes such a difference, especially here in Raleigh. Engineered hardwood is real hardwood, not fake wood. The top layer, called the veneer, is real wood like oak, hickory, or maple. Underneath the veneer, there are multiple layers of plywood. They're stacked in opposite directions of each other to keep everything stable. Now, this layered construction gives it strength and balance, preventing it from expanding and shrinking like solid hardwood does. This design is what lets us install it in areas we could never safely use solid hardwood. It's real wood, just engineered to perform better. Wood naturally moves with moisture and temperature changes. That's what causes solid hardwood to cup or gap. Here in Raleigh, humidity changes constantly, and that's where engineered hardwood flooring shines. Its cross-ply construction keeps it flat and gap-free even through humid summers and dry winters. That stability is the whole reason it was invented. The benefits are pretty impressive, and you still get the same warm, authentic look and texture of real wood, that timeless feel homeowners love, but with way fewer maintenance headaches. It's strong, stable, and cost-effective compared to traditional hardwood. It works great over concrete or radiant heat, and is the go-to choice if you want those wide, long planks that instantly make a room feel more open. Getting longer and wider wood plank is another reason engineered hardwood was invented. With solid hardwood, you can only go up to about 5 inches safely, but anything wider than that can have huge gaps during season changes. One of my clients really wanted wide 9-inch planks, but solid wood just couldn't handle it without showing gaps within a few years. So we switched them to a 9-inch by 7-foot long engineered hardwood instead. And years later, it still looks brand new. That's the power of layered stability. And as an installer, I've seen that benefit on countless jobs. Now, engineered hardwood isn't perfect for every situation. It can only be refinished once or twice, depending on the thickness of the top veneer. That's less than solid wood, but because it's so stable, most people never need to refinish it anyway. So where does it make sense the most? Basements, kitchens, and open living room areas are ideal. Anywhere you want the beauty of hardwood but need extra stability. And if you really like the look of wide and long planks, engineered hardwood is a perfect floor for your home. And it's a great option for homes in more humid climate areas like Raleigh. I wouldn't use it in areas with constant moisture like bathrooms or laundry rooms. Even though it's moisture resistant, it's not waterproof. So always watch your floor and clean spills right away. Taking care of engineered hardwood is easy. Vacuum or dry mop regularly. Avoid wet mopping or using steam mops. Moisture is the enemy of wood. Most engineered floors can be refinished once or twice, but with proper care, they can easily last 20 to 30 years and still look incredible. When we meet with customers, we always start by asking about their lifestyle. Do they have pets? Do they have kids? Do they have heavy traffic? Then we make recommendations on the flooring that fits their lifestyle best. For a lot of families, engineered hardwood ends up being the perfect blend of durability, comfort, and style. Now, not all engineered floors are built the same. Always look at 3 things: the thickness of the veneer, the core material, and the type of finish. Those details decide how long your floor lasts and how good it looks over time. In my next video, I'll show you how to tell the high quality floors from the ones that won't last. Now that you know what engineered hardwood really is and how it's built, the next step is making sure you buy the right floor the right way. Before you spend a single dollar, watch my next video here where I break down the biggest mistakes homeowners make when buying new floors and how to avoid them. Trust me, watching that one first could save you thousands of dollars.